picked a fight with almost all countries in the world with tariffs. And one country that is on top of Trump's hit list is China. A trade war is on the plate for the world. China was hit with 20% tariffs first, then a 34% reciprocal tariffs on April 2nd, and then China retaliated with 34% tariffs on US goods. And now, on April 7th, Trump said that he will hit China with a 50% additional tariff. Mahatma Gandhi said that an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. But there are high chances that US and China are staring at a trade war. Now, in a fiery post on Truth Social, Trump accused China of layering a fresh 34% retaliatory tariff on top of what he called, and I quote, record-setting tariffs, non-monetary tariffs, illegal subsidization of companies, and massive long-term currency manipulation. He then warned that any country that retaliated against the US by adding additional tariffs will be immediately met with new, substantially higher tariffs. India's Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal backed Trump even as India was also hit with 26% tariff. He said that China's economic ascent was built on unfair trade practices, hidden subsidies, and distorted labor models, and that this was ignored by much of the world since Beijing joined the World Trade Organization in 2001. At the India Global Forum, he said that China's rise has come at a cost of national economies and the manufacturing ecosystem in many countries, including India. He said, and I quote, the current state of play in some way is accumulation of almost 3 decades of attack on several countries. China is not backing out though. Reacting to Trump's announcement, Beijing said that there will be countermeasures against the US to safeguard China's own rights and its interests. They called US tariffs baseless and also called US a bully. The Chinese Commerce Ministry added that the US threat to escalate tariffs on China is, I quote, a mistake on top of a mistake, and once again exposes the blackmailing nature of the US. China will never accept it and it will fight to the end, is what the ministry is saying. The trade war is not new. In 2018, in Trump's first term, he imposed sweeping tariffs of $34 billion worth Chinese goods. Even at that time, China retaliated by imposing tariffs on American agricultural products. But who will lose in this trade war? Well, the people of America, investors of the stock market, US businesses, and the farmers. Why? Because inside the US, high-profile figures issued dire warnings. Billionaire Richard Branson urged Washington to quote-unquote own up to a colossal mistake and said that America will face ruins for years to come. Hedge fund titan Bill Ackman painted an even starker picture, calling the escalating tariffs an economic nuclear winter. Trump's allies are also concerned now. As per reports, Musk has also appealed to Trump to hold the tariffs for now. However, the Commerce Secretary of the US reiterated that the new tariffs will not be postponed. China is the world's largest manufacturing hub. The US in 2024 bought $438.9 billion worth of goods and sold only $143 billion of goods to China. So the US has the largest trade deficit with China, and that's one reason why tariffs have been highest on China. So when you look at this, retaliatory tariffs may not impact too much on the US. But when you look deeper, American consumers are highly reliant on Chinese goods. Unsurprisingly, electronics and machines are the top goods imported to the US from China. These products span all elements of America's life, from computers to domestic appliances and electric batteries. Textile imports will also be impacted because now more and more clothing brands are importing from China. And America's favorite cheap brands like Shein and Temu will also increase prices. because they are Chinese. Next, industries like auto sectors, they already are facing the brunt because a lot of manufacturing is done outside the US and more in China. The pharma sector of the US is also a major exporter to China that will be impacted. Agricultural sectors will be worst hit by Chinese tariffs as China is the top buyer of vegetable products. Meat exporters are also concerned, so farmers will be hit. Stock markets also have been impacted by tariffs. Yesterday, markets across the world shed billions. The US was hit too. It was being called a Black Monday. The Asian markets rebounded on April 8th, though, after China's retaliation and said that it will fight. But investors lost trillions of dollars in the US, $11 trillion in 3 sessions, and that is huge. But Trump says oil prices are in place, there is no inflation, so everything is good and the tariff strategy will work to make America great again. But right now, the view is that the US companies, the customers, the farmers, and the investors are the ones losing the trade war. And a trade war means supply chain disruption, inflation, and a possible recession, which, by the way, is on the cards as big brokerages like Goldman Sachs, Moody's, and JP Morgan have increased their expectations. Unemployment rate is expected to go up to 4.5% as per Goldman Sachs, and the customer confidence is also declining in the US as per University of Michigan survey. Obviously, it is no good for both sides, a trade war, but with this, it looks like it is more of a loss for US. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and like, share and subscribe to ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.